Here's IDMe Wallet app. It's quite high in the charts in productivity category in US. Among other apps, is a simple and secure way to share and manage your verified credentials anywhere you are. One identity, one wallet. View and manage your verified identity and credentials. Privacy first. Control all aspects of your IDMe experience, including emails, logins, and activity history. Secure your account setup and manage your multi-factor authentications or sign-in options. So then you can just open it up, and then you can just sign in, user with email or password, or Facebook, Google, Apple, LinkedIn. And then that's from where you can sign in. You can see your activities. You can also tap and add your ID, like as employee, teacher, student, first responder, nurse, military, alumni. So then you can just verify your alumni status. Again, you just need to sign in from here and then just proceed. I guess your organization needs to work with this app. And let's see. So graduates from 2 or 4 year degree program at an accredited government recognized college or university. And then you can just proceed. You can select your college, university, for example, and then select continue, first name, last name, and then social security number, street, and then enter all of this data, and then you will be able to add this ID and select your verification. So yeah, that's the idea of the app, and then you will see your IDs easily in this app, organized and linked. And yeah, then you also have my preferences, and that's basically the idea of the app. Then you have also your account, your personal info, security, preferences, help and support. So yeah, sometimes you need to verify yourself with a selfie, some other things. So then you can just also read up here. So that's basically the app. So give it a try.